Before we begin, first let's set up our workspace in Photoshop. Create a new A4 size document and remember to flip it horizontally. Add a gray background to it. Remember to make sure that your brushes, your layers, windows are open as well. Feel free to drag around your windows so that you're comfortable with your workspace. Feel free to use your brushes any way you want. You can add a dual brush to give it a nice rough touch to it, or you can just leave it plain if you like, or even slanted, whatever helps and makes you feel comfortable while you draw. Play with the shape dynamics, the spacing, the opacity. Before we begin drawing, let's make a list of things about our character. Right off the bat, this character is for television. Therefore, we'll be using simple shapes and colors. And our character is also a space pirate, and she comes equipped with a helmet as well as like an X-ray ray gun. Now we'll just decrease the size of this and put it on the top left corner, just as a reminder as we're drawing, so that I always remember like what exactly it is I have to paint and what I have to draw each time. Now that we've defined our character and set up our workspace, let's move on to the next step. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to loosely and roughly draw out your character in its different poses.